Good morning. Welcome to This Week at EPL for the week of Monday, January 17th, 2022. I'm Andrew. It is Martin Luther King Jr. Day. I did want to highlight with that. Let everybody know that the library is open this Monday. It is a federal holiday, otherwise, marking the birthday of the chief spokesperson for nonviolent activism in the civil rights movement. Dr. King died April 4th, 1968. But we do want to make sure that we do still have our services available to everybody in the area here. So you can come into the Genealogy Center, the Teen Library, or the main library with normal hours today. Uh, Kicking off again this broadcast here with Read.Do.Explore Winter Endeavors. That is still going on. That did start 2 weeks ago, actually. It has officially begun as of January 3rd, goes through February 13th, so the day before Valentine's Day. Your favorite EPL activities or just reading using our services can all get you an entry to win, including watching this. So, whether it's on Facebook, YouTube, or you're watching it on TV, actually, you can still enter to win. And I'll show you how to do that down here. You can go to that website right there. Grand prizes include some things that I'll go over here in a second. Let's see. Let's go to here. There we go. All right, so we're going to go on to where it says Read.Do.Explore Winter Endeavors. Click on Get Started Now. There is going to be a section here called Prize Entry Form, but you can see everything else down here below. You can peruse that at your leisure when you have the time. Of course, you can see a lot of it right around here as well. A lot of this is aimed at supporting local businesses. So if you do see like a business here or some businesses included, that's something that we want to try to support with that, as well as give you something cool to help you discover what the library has to offer. Let's see. We're going to go into some special highlights. So these are some new teen books that we've got coming in. The first one, Maybe We're Electric, is right here. This is by Val Emick. This is the best-selling author of Dear Evan Hansen, the novel, so you may recognize it from that. When Tegan is ambushed by her mom with a truth she can't face, she flees home in a snowstorm, finding refuge at a forgotten local attraction, the Thomas Edison Museum. She's not alone for long. In walks Mac Durant, a popular classmate that Tegan can't stand. Except that Matt Durant she thinks she knows isn't the one before her now. This Mac is rattled and asking for help. This page turner is an artfully woven meditation on how pain can connect us. We can carry it alone in darkness, or share the burden and watch the world light up again. Well, that sounds interesting like that. So I assume that would be the two of them right there on the cover. We've also got, it's kind of hard to read on here, but it's called COVID-19 and Other Pandemics, a Comparison by Don Nardo. For most people today, the death and destruction brought about by the COVID-19 pandemic is unprecedented, but a look at the historical record tells a different story. Catastrophic pandemics have occurred throughout history and may have resulted in economic, political, and cultural upheaval. This book examines pandemics through history and the changes they brought. So that could be interesting. That's good, especially if you're have a teen in your life that is trying to make sense of everything. The Secrets of the Immortal Nicholas Flamel, the Lost Stories collection by Michael Scott. Aha. And you may notice Nicholas Flamel because they appeared in J.K. Rowling's Harry Potter series. But did you know that he really lived? You can learn his secrets in the best-selling Secrets of the Immortal Nicholas Flamel series and discover the Lost Secrets, where you will meet enemies old and new, forge alliances with characters from history, myth, and legend, all as you uncover new mysteries and discover answers to questions remaining in the original series. All right, yeah, that's pretty cool. That seems nice. I like that. It's a little bit more lighthearted, so yeah, mysteries, legends. That sounds kind of fun. Um, let's see here. The Lego Club. So I'm going to get to this here. This is something that happens all the time at the teen library, though I think it gets updated on Wednesday or Thursday. There is a Lego Club at teen, kind of technically meeting Thursday, though it's not necessarily meeting like organized like it had been. It is open play, but there will be inspiration posted available, and you can put something together based on things that you see around the building. So there'll be like little pictures of different different like bridges or structures or landscapes, and it's kind of inspiration just to get the gears going. So again, this is at the teen library. So if you have a teen who likes to build with Legos and explore with Legos, that might be a good thing for them. Let's see. Take and make projects are still going on. There are the children's take and make projects. There are hockey rinks. You can make your own miniature hockey rink from some of the items that we have down in the children's department. So that's pretty cool. I think I might be going live later today around 3 or 4 o'clock with how to build those. Also, adult take and make projects, mug cakes. That just sounds good. Have you ever had a mud cake? Mud cake, mug cake. Basically, making a cake in a mug. So sounds delightfully sweet and good. Um, Also, after you have that mug cake, check out Eckhart Athletic Quest. I'm going to go actually back to this website right here, because here you can see we have Eckhart Athletic Quest. Click on this, that will take you to the PDF of Eckhart Quest, and it will have a map at the end of it like this. And you can also pick these up at any of the desks at Eckhart Public Library, whether it's at the genealogy, the main library, or the teen building as well. That will kind of lead you around Auburn. You can kind of fill in the locations and such where you are, and especially who is the person that is portrayed there. Let's see. The instructions for that are going to be on that paper as well. I do want to go back to Stories Afoot in the Park. That's something that we've mentioned previous weeks as well. Those have been going on actually since the end of last year, too. The stories are Soup Day, Tracks in the Snow, Good Morning Snowplow, and Stranger in the Woods. And these are around different locations in Riley Park, DeSoto Park, Forest Park, and Wilner Park. These are checked on regularly, so if you go there and you notice that anything is in like disrepair, that should be fixed soon. The wind can be strong sometimes, and they can be pulled off a little bit of where they are. Things specific to this week, story time this Tuesday, 10:45 a.m. with Karen. She'll be talking about penguins, the best dressed bird in cold climates. So tune in live for that at 10:45 on Facebook, or you can catch it later on Facebook, the recorded version, as well as on YouTube. Dungeons and Dragons for adults, that will be Tuesday, 6:30 to 8:30 p.m. We're still in a series of 4 one-shot campaigns, which means there's no previous experience needed for one thing, and for 2, there isn't like an ongoing story that you feel like you're jumping into because this is brand new. If you'd like to join, please message us on Facebook or send us an email. You can use our normal email, or you can email gaming@epl.lib.in.us. Otherwise, that will get you to a link to the Discord voice server to get you in. Sessions are always the first and third Tuesday of every month. Continuing on to Wednesday for Classic City Readers Book Club. They're reading The Vanishing Half by Britt Bennett, and I am actually going to bring that up here. Let's go back to this and switch this back to the calendar, because I want to check that out on here. I do have the calendar link that is in the description as well, so you can click on that event, and you can see that it is at Byler Lane Winery. It has the address is 5858 County Road 35 in Auburn. It is in a heated outdoor space to discuss that book, The Vanishing Half by Britt Bennett. It seems pretty cool. I've got a description here, but for this or any of the other books, you can always check them out at the Eckhart Public Library, main library. They're available for anybody, even if you don't have a library card, which is pretty cool. Continuing on to Thursday of this week, there will be the Chinese American cooking live stream again. That'll stay also recorded on Facebook. That'll go recorded on YouTube as well. But did you catch the live stream last Thursday? We were making mantou, or bao bread, I believe. It's steamed bread rolls, and they smelled amazing. It's available on both Facebook and YouTube. Has a great recipe that you can use at home this week. It will be red beans cake, or bok jai go, if I'm saying that correct. I'm sure it's different. That'll be live on Facebook, then posted on YouTube. These will be going on every Thursday through the 10th of February. Check the calendar for what's coming up as always. If you happen to be on the calendar here, there it is. Hey, there we go. You can see the rest of everything that's coming up. Now, the order is a little bit out because we have switched up a couple of these, but you can probably figure that out. The shrimp and the mantou will be switched around and such like that. The almond cookies sound really good too, so don't miss that. Let's see. Let's go back. Hey, there we go. Saturday, a little bit different. The last time we had one of these, I think, was the 8th of January. This is called Meandering Minds, Meandering Feet. This will be taking place at Greenhurst Park. Meet near the parking lot on North Main Street. Our focus will be Gene Stratton Porter, Hoosier outdoor writer, early Hollywood filmmaker and artist, dressed for the weather. Please dress for the weather. It will probably be cold. Hot beverages at the end. Yep. All right. That is, I believe, all for today, but I do want to emphasize again, Read.Do.Explore, winter endeavors, um, anything that has to do with the library, any books that you read, any content you consume from the library, online, recorded, live or not, come in, read something while you're here. Pick up one of the kits. If you pick up a kit for each child, if you have two children, let's say, you pick up two kits, or you pick up an adult kit for yourself and a child kit for them. Then you can mark every time that you do one of those. So we want to encourage people to have, to participate with the library programs, and especially pushing literacy and just family involvement and such like that. So we hope that you have a good week. Stay warm out there. And there was one more thing. I don't remember what it was. Anyway, check out the calendar. See what it is when it pops up when I forget about it. We hope you have a great week, and see you later.